Hello subscriber, welcome back to my channel UTG on the go. So today I'll be showing you that how to make Google Assistant repeat after you. So without any wasting in time,
let's get started.
So first of all you need to do is to just simply say OK Google or just simply click the assistant icon. So after it appears, you need to tap the mic or just simply say OK Google again. After clicking on the mic, say repeat after me.
What would you like me to repeat?
So say whatever you want to make Google Assistant repeat. So I will say thanks for watching the video.
You said thanks for watching the video.
So yeah, it's very simple to make Google Assistant repeat after you can and you can also try another version of repeat after me by saying try repeat after me.
Alright, getting repeat after me.
Hi, I will repeat your input. What do you want me to say?
Say whatever you want and it will repeat. So just tap the mic or say okay Google. Hey, nice to meet you.
You said hi, nice to meet you. What do you want me to say next?
So it will ask again to what you want him to repeat, and you can try it in different languages also. Like I will say in Hindi now. मेरे साथ साथ बोलो.
मुझे क्या दोहराना है?
So yeah, it will ask you what it have to repeat. देखने के लिए बहुत शुक्रिया.
आपने कहा देखने के लिए बहुत शुक्रिया.
So yeah, it is really amazing and entertaining also. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. If you like this, leave a like, and till then,
see you in the next video.